By default, WordPress updates itself and other plugins without asking you. This might sound great until an update breaks your site. This could be your layout getting messed up or all of your customizations getting wiped. Whatever it is, sometimes it can just really cause havoc. Today, I'll show you how to turn off all auto updates in WordPress in less than 3 minutes. This is Kevin. Let's get coding. We're going to start by going into WPCodeBox and we're going to create a new snippet. And for the snippet, we're going to call it Disable Auto Updates. Now, within our snippet, we're just going to add one line of code, and this is going to be add filter. And we're going to type in automatic updater disabled. And we can see right here that we can actually just hit enter to autocomplete this within WPCodeBox. And now we're going to type in __return _true. And what this is that this filter is looking to see whether the value is true or false. If it's true, it's going to disable automatic updates. If it's false, it's going to let updates continue. By default, it's false. So now we're going to tell it to be true. So let's save this snippet. And now let's enable it. And let's go to the WordPress update page. And now let's refresh this. And we can see right here that there's an automatic update scheduled in 11 hours. Our snippet should disable this. So let's refresh the page. And there we go. We have disabled automatic updates for WordPress core, as well as plugin and theme updates. Now let's take this a step further. Let's go back to our code snippet. And let's say we do want WordPress core to automatically update, but we don't want themes and plugins to update. So we can do this by commenting out our current filter, and we're going to add two new filters. And this is going to be add filter. And we're going to type in auto update plugin. And this time we're going to do __return false. So this function is opposite of what we did before, where we're looking to disable it. This time we're going to say we don't want this to be true. We want this to be false because we don't want plugins to update automatically. Now let's do this same thing for themes. And the code is going to be pretty much the same, except instead of auto update plugin, we're going to do auto update theme. And we're going to do __return false. Now let's go ahead and save this. And if we go back to our updates page and refresh it, we'll see that automatic updates for core are now enabled, but we will no longer be automatically updating plugins and themes. And that's it. You're now in full control of when and how your WordPress site updates.